Hi, let us see how to prepare grapes wine. For that I have here 2 kilograms of black grapes. Step number 1 is to wash these grapes thoroughly. For that you should use water which was boiled and brought to room temperature. Also add 2 tablespoons of salt to this water and then wash the grapes nicely. Now let us remove the grapes from water. So during this entire process, make sure any vessel you use should be washed in water which was boiled and brought to room temperature. Next step is to squeeze and smash these grapes using your hand. Again, your hand should be clean and dried properly before doing this step. Don't worry about the seeds. This is how we should get the grapes. Let us move to the next step. I am going to prepare this wine in a glass jar. So I have kept this glass jar in direct sunlight for 1 day to make sure there is no water content in it. Now add in the grapes. Then add 1 cinnamon stick, about 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon dry yeast, 1.5 kilogram sugar. So remember, for 2 kilograms of grapes we have to use 1.5 kilogram sugar and 1.5 liter water. Again, this water is boiled and now in room temperature. Now using a dry wooden spatula, just give it a mix. We don't have to dissolve the sugar while stirring, just give it a mix, that's enough. That's all. Now we have to place the lid and then allow this to rest for 21 days. Make sure your lid is airtight. I'm going to show you the next step using another batch of wine which I have prepared 21 days before. So this is how the wine will look. You will still see some chunks of grapes and all. I'm taking a vessel which is dried nicely. I placed it over stove to make sure there is no water. Now let us strain the wine through the sieve. You may use a piece of cloth also for this step. After that, we can store this wine in any glass bottle, or you can store it back in the same jar which you used to prepare wine. So as I told you, I have allowed this wine to rest for 21 days. You may do this for 45 days also, or maybe you can do it if you have time for 3 months even. And the more you store this wine, it will taste better and it will become more strong. Another thing you can do is you can pour some wine in a glass bottle and then bury it underground and use it after 5 years or 6 years also. That's all. I hope you loved this recipe. Subscribe to our channel for more recipes like this. Thank you.